Hey Sonic the Hedgehog fans, it's James McIlwee back again. And today I'm going to show you my Sonic Boom toys because I felt like it. And I'll do it from the left to the right. Here's a Sonic the Hedgehog action figure from Sonic Boom that came with an ancient crystal. And I got this for pre-ordering Sonic Boom Rise of Lyric. Here's a Sonic Boom Sonic the Hedgehog plushie. Here's a Sonic Boom Tails plushie. Here's my Sonic Boom Knuckles plushie. Here's my Sonic Boom Amy Rose plushie. And here's my Sonic Boom Sonic the Hedgehog talking plushie that came with a chili dog. And let me show you how he works.
Too slow? You forgot who you're talking to. You can't lose me, egghead! What the what? That's not a problem for me, because I'm very heroic. Come on, let's blow this frog leg stand. Too slow? You forgot who you're talking to.
And then it goes back. And listen to this.
Man, I am starving. Next exit, Munchie Town.
Yeah.
It's a dramatic moment. Chili dog.
Hey, forgive me if this takes time.
Protect the chili dogs!
Yep, that did it. And so yeah, that's my Sonic Boom toys right now. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them in all. So I hope y'all like this video, and please rate, comment, and subscribe, and please be sure to check out my channel for more videos, and thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all later. Take care.